huge round of applause as we've all come together for the 30th edition of Tech Senate. But before I tell you a little more about that, firstly, thank you for taking our time. I know everybody's flown in from different parts and you've all had your busy schedule, so we're extremely happy to be seeing each one of you. So it's such a delight to be hosting each one of you as well. While the 2 days, of course, we'll talk a lot about artificial intelligence and the numbers, I just want to begin with a picture that I thought was very, very fascinating. A wise man has said that the internet was seen as the biggest revolution or evolution of technology that me and you know personally. But something different is happening as me and you speak. Look at the world of artificial intelligence. Let's look at what internet did. Internet connected people. Then you had the cloud. Cloud connected businesses. Then you had the mobile. Mobile connected the world. But if you talk about artificial intelligence, it is connecting intelligence itself. Just look at some very fascinating data. A report by PwC says that by the year 2030, you'll have $15.7 trillion that in fact will be contributed to the global economy by artificial intelligence. And out of this number of $15.7 trillion, about over $1 trillion will come from a market like India, which means the entire next decade will be about productivity and innovation. Over the next 2 days, we will not talk about whether artificial intelligence and AI-first enterprises are the need. We already know they're the need. But we, in fact, will talk about leaders like you who are transforming that change. Because one thing is very, very clear, that either you jump onto this bandwagon and become a part of the next history, or you're left behind. So, of course, this is going to be 2 days of a lot of riveting conversations, a lot of brainstorming, but a lot of fun down the road as well. Ladies and gentlemen, it is such an honor, delight, and privilege to be welcoming each one of you to Express Computers Tech Senate, our 30th edition. Let's have a huge, huge round of applause because this journey has been long, but it has been so fruitful with each of yours participation and contribution right through the years. I'm Ridhima Bhatnagar and I'm so happy to be your host over the course of 2 days.